Hi, we have Diana Saleh here. She's a Palestinian runner for our upcoming elections. And let's talk to Diana Saleh. How are you, Diana?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much.
So, are you tired for doing your campaign or what? How long?
It's been 5 months. So we started planning and doing everything in December and then launched the campaign in January. So it's been a little tiring, but I will say very rewarding. Anytime you have an opportunity to step up and serve the community is an honor. And I'm very excited for that opportunity.
You are excited, and is this your first time or second time for running?
I, I'm a first-time candidate. Our seat is open. My current city councilman, Marvin Sutton, is running for mayor. So it presented us with a great opportunity to step up and model his great example of leadership and really step up and be there for the community and also representation. I would be the first Palestinian Muslim on the Arlington City Council, and I hope that I can inspire Southeast Asian communities, Arab communities, Muslim communities, all of our communities to run as well and get involved in the process.
Exactly. Yes, of course. Very nice. So Sana, this is so amazing. Like you are doing, and you are running first time as a Palestinian candidate, and this is your first time. So I think you keep it up your energy, and and we are praying. Yeah, we need you. We'll give you support, and we'll pray for you as well. So thank you for your time.